What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. with EricEllisJr.com. And have you ever asked yourself the question, how do I turn my Instagram into a freaking money-making machine? How can I'm using this thing every day anyways. How can I use it and make money using it? I mean, it's like the dream, right? In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys 5 easy steps that you need to take that you can start making money on your Instagram as soon as today. Stay freaking tuned. And we're back. So the first step to making money on Instagram is picking a niche. Now, what is a niche? It's simply a category, I guess you could say, pertaining to an Instagram account. Now, we need to figure out whether you're going to create an account for your personal brand, or you're going to go ahead and create an account for a specific niche. Different examples of niches could be like travel, fashion, business, dogs, you name it. There's so many type of basically niches that you can go ahead and create, right? So you have to figure out a niche. Once you figure out your niche, the second step to making money online or making money with your Instagram account would be finding an offer to promote. And what I would personally recommend is 2 types of industries to actually find something to promote. Number 1 could be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply when you're referring products, and those products that you refer are simply you're going to get paid a commission when you refer them, right? So an example is if I was to go to an affiliate network like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or anything of that nature, and with my Instagram, I either had a large account, or I built an account, or I leveraged somebody else who had one, and I actually decided to go ahead and find an offer on one of these affiliate networks that is congruent with my niche. I can simply use that following to actually generate sales. And the sales that I generate, they're going to go ahead and pay me, right, a commission. Or you can do something called drop shipping. A lot of people use Shopify, right, to where they simply use different type of products, and they can do something called drop shipping, or you could do something called drop shipping, to where you're simply basically getting these products in front of an audience, future customers, right? And what happens is when they actually buy it, right, let's just say they buy it for 25 bucks, whatever product you're offering, hopefully congruent with your Instagram account, you're simply going to go ahead and use that money that they use to purchase it. You're going to purchase it somewhere else for cheaper, and then what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and fulfill the order with their details, send it to them, and you're going to go ahead and obviously get to keep the spread, the difference, right? So the next thing would be finding an offer. There's all types of affiliate networks, and if you want to learn about drop shipping, there's all types of content that can teach you how to actually drop ship, right? But more importantly, how do we actually use Instagram to make money after we actually find our offer? Now that brings us to step number 3. The most important part to actually creating an income on Instagram, or how to make money on Instagram, is building a large freaking following. Now once you've found your Instagram niche, you've created an account, or you're already using your personal brand account, the objective is to build a large following. Now there is a shortcut to this, right? It's something called using or leveraging influencers. It's basically people within that same niche who already have an extremely large following, right? So that way it'll allow you to skip that step of building a following yourself, right, which takes a little bit longer. Now, I would highly recommend building your own following. Why? Because at the end of the day, you don't have to pay other people to leverage theirs, and it's free, right? You can create a free Instagram account, but it's completely up to you. You can either build your own following within your personal branded account or your niche-based account for a specific niche with the offers that you're going to be promoting, whether affiliate marketing or e-commerce. And once you build that following, the next step would be using that account to drive traffic to your offer. Now basically, you're going to use that your offer is going to be congruent with your actual following. So if you're promoting dog supplies, you have a dog account. If you're promoting clothing, use a fashion account. If you're promoting making money online opportunities, use a business Instagram account, right? So make sure your offer is congruent with your actual Instagram account, and then you're going to leverage that big account or your account, right? You can start small. If you have 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers, 3,000 followers, you can simply drive traffic to your offers. Now there's a couple of ways that you can do that. You can first and foremost use pictures, right? And you can create advertisement content and have a simple call to action within the actual feed, right? So you're driving traffic to your offer. Now guys, what this is like the new school wave of advertising. Let's just say back in the day you were watching entertainment content, right, on TV, and then they have a 2-minute commercial. What you could do is simply post valuable content or cool content or entertaining content on your Instagram account, and what happens is you can literally, for 30 minutes out of the day or an hour a day, 2 times a day, you can simply post content or an advertisement, so that way you can monetize that following that you're building, right? So it's a commercial break. That's all it is. You're entertaining your audience, and then you're doing a commercial break. Now, if you don't have your own following, or you want to get started immediately, like as soon as today, you can find an affiliate marketing offer, or you can start doing e-commerce or drop shipping. And what you can do is you can simply go ahead and reach out to these influencers who have much larger followings, and they've been building a following just like you can do, but they've been building a following for years, months, or if not years, and you can leverage their following and they will promote your product or your offer on their commercial breaks, right? And whether they do just like pictures or advertisement, or you can use Instagram story, there's all types of methods which you can use to actually start driving traffic to your offers. So step number 4 is drive traffic. It's basically a commercial break, whether it's your own personal Instagram account or it's somebody else's Instagram account. You leverage their account, you leverage your account, you drive traffic, right? And that is step number 4. Step number 5, the easiest, right, and the most exciting, is making money, right? That's what we're doing this for. We want to learn how to make money on Instagram. So you're simply just going to go ahead and drive traffic to these offers. It's going to turn over into sales, and once it turns over into sales, you get paid. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love. But you get paid. That's what's important. So step number 5 is get paid, guys. Get paid for your efforts. And I know I said 5 steps, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you a bonus step. Step number 6 is rinse and repeat. Right? The objective is don't spend that extra money that you have on new shoes or something stupid, right? Invest it back into your business, and once you invest it back into your business, make more money, then rinse and repeat again. Step 1 through 5. Go ahead and invest back into your business, and then make your money keep on piling up to where your Instagram just becomes a freaking ATM, a cash freaking machine. So those are the 5 freaking easy steps. You can apply those today, right after this video, right? Find an offer, find an influencer who has an account, drive traffic to it, generate sales, get paid, do the money dance, and rinse and repeat, right? Now if you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment below of what your thoughts are, or your biggest takeaway, or even if you just think I'm ugly, drop a comment, right? Or if you want to say thank you for the value, go ahead and drop a comment, and make sure to freaking subscribe. Now out of those, I actually leverage my Instagram as well. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I'm actually an expert affiliate marketer. What I do is I simply use Instagram and other avenues to promote products, refer products, generate sales. Once I generate sales, I get paid, and I do the money dance, right? If you want to learn how to do the money dance as well, to get paid on freaking Lime, and to leverage your Instagram and other things, and the step-by-step strategies, I have a free training below that's going to go ahead and give you access to show you the step-by-step processes that you need to take for affiliate marketing. And if you want a little bit more advanced there is a course that I show you from A to Z how to actually succeed as an affiliate marketer, so that way you can be my next success story and you can be my next successful student. I appreciate you guys so freaking much, and Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.